Everyone talks about the S&P 500, but there's one ETF that's been quietly beating it. No hype, no tech giants, just pure smart balance. Let me show you how it wins while staying under the radar. This ETF called RSP, that most people don't even talk about, but it has quietly beaten the famous S&P 500 in several years. It doesn't try to follow the biggest companies. Instead, it plays smart and fair. That's what makes it so powerful. It proves you don't need to be flashy to win big in the market. But how can a fund that ignores the biggest companies still manage to beat them? Here's how it's different. The S&P 500 gives more power to giant companies like Apple and Microsoft. But RSP does the opposite. It gives equal weight to every company. That means a small company has the same chance to help your returns as a big one. When the smaller or mid-sized stocks grow, RSP grows even faster. Sounds fair, right? But does this equal opportunity approach actually work in the real market? Or is it just theory? In years like 2022 and 2024, RSP actually performed better than the S&P 500, beating it by around 3 to 4%. That may not sound huge, but over time it can make a big difference. It shows that balance and equal opportunity can sometimes win over size and fame. But how does RSP keep that balance? What's the hidden mechanism that lets it stay disciplined when markets go wild? The real magic is in how RSP rebalances. It automatically sells a bit of the stocks that got too expensive and buys more of the ones that fell in price. So it's always following the golden rule of investing. Buy low, sell high. Most people can't do that emotionally, but RSP does it for you without hesitation. But if RSP is so disciplined and smart, why doesn't everyone invest in it? There must be a catch. And yes, there is. Nothing is perfect. When tech stocks like Apple and Nvidia are leading the market, RSP might not perform as well as SPY. So that's all about the ETF that beats S&P 500. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. If you found RSP interesting, wait till you see how it stacks up against other powerful ETFs. Click here to dive in. I will see you there. Bye-bye.